Welcome to English Exam Essentials. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update.
Welcome to TOEIC Listening Part 1, Photographs. In this practice video, you will look at 20 photographs. For each photograph, you will hear 4 statements. The statements will not be printed on the screen and will be spoken only one time. You must choose the one statement that best describes what you see in the photograph. Remember, in the official TOEIC test, Part 1 includes only 6 photographs. This extended set is provided for additional practice and skill development. Look carefully at the people, objects, and actions shown in each picture. Pay close attention to what is happening, where the scene is taking place, and how items are positioned. Remember that the test frequently uses synonyms in paraphrasing. Some statements may sound correct, but describe something that is not shown in the photograph. Do not make assumptions about people's intentions or what will happen next. Base your answer only on what you can clearly see. You will have a few seconds to look at each photograph before the statements begin. Now let's begin with number 1. Look at the picture marked number 1 in the screen. A.
Goods are being unloaded.
B.
The truck is being repaired.
C.
The driver is refueling the vehicle.
D.
The warehouse is closed.
Number 2. Look at the picture marked number 2 in your screen. A.
People are boarding a bus.
B.
Luggage is being weighed at the counter.
C.
A plane is landing on the runway.
D.
Tickets are being collected inside the cabin.
Number 3. Look at the picture marked number 3 in your screen. A.
A reservation is being changed.
B.
Receipts are being printed.
C.
Orders are being canceled.
D.
A payment is being made.
Number 4. Look at the picture marked number 4 in your screen. A.
Medical equipment is being repaired.
B.
The patient is receiving an examination.
C.
A prescription is being filled.
D.
The patient is leaving the clinic.
Number 5. Look at the picture marked number 5 in your screen. A.
They are boarding a train.
B.
The bus is arriving.
C.
People are waiting for transportation.
D.
Tickets are being checked.
Number 6. Look at the picture marked number 6 in your screen. A.
An award ceremony is starting.
B.
The track is being repaired.
C.
Shoes are being changed.
D.
A race is underway.
Number 7. Look at the picture marked number 7 in your screen. A.
Workers are loading boxes onto a truck.
B.
Apples are being picked and placed into containers.
C.
Farming equipment is being repaired in the field.
D.
The trees are being trimmed with tools.
Number 8. Look at the picture marked number 8 in your screen. A.
People are paddling together in a raft on rough water.
B.
The passengers are preparing to board a boat at a dock.
C.
Equipment is being unloaded onto the shore.
D.
The river is calm and empty.
Number 9. Look at the picture marked number 9 in your screen. A,
Rooms are being renovated.
B,
Supplies are being delivered.
C,
Guest rooms are being serviced.
D.
Luggage is being transported.
Number 10. Look at the picture marked number 10 in your screen. A,
Everyone is sleeping inside the tents.
B,
The group is setting up tents before sunset.
C,
Firewood is being chopped nearby.
D.
People are gathered around a campfire.
Number 11. Look at the picture marked number 11 in your screen. A,
They are posing and smiling for a photo.
B,
The fountain has been turned off for maintenance.
C,
The man is asking for directions from a local resident.
D.
The bags are being searched at an entrance gate.
Number 12. Look at the picture marked number 12 in your screen. A,
A passenger is reaching up to close an overhead bin.
B,
The aisle seats are being adjusted.
C,
Safety instructions are being demonstrated.
D.
The cabin lights have been turned off.
Number 13. Look at the picture marked number 13 in your screen. A,
She is explaining a product to a customer.
B,
Two customers are paying at a checkout counter.
C,
Medicine is being placed on the shelves.
D.
The store is closing for the day.
Number 14. Look at the picture marked number 14 in your screen. A,
Snowboards are being carried across the slope.
B,
The skiers are riding a chairlift up the mountain.
C,
The group is removing their ski boots.
D.
A ski instructor is giving a lesson.
Number 15. Look at the picture marked number 15 in your screen. A,
One of the players is explaining the rules.
B,
The board is being packed away after the game.
C,
They are playing a game of chess at a table.
D.
The pieces are being cleaned.
Number 16. Look at the picture marked number 16 in your screen. A,
A cyclist is crossing an intersection.
B,
Traffic lights are being repaired.
C,
Cars are being parked along the road.
D.
Pedestrians are waiting at a bus stop.
Number 17. Look at the picture marked number 17 in your screen. A,
Passengers are boarding the aircraft.
B,
Passengers are leaving the aircraft.
C,
Travelers are waiting at a gate.
D.
The aircraft is taxiing.
Number 18. Look at the picture marked number 18 in your screen. A,
Students are waiting for a class to begin.
B,
Reference books are being checked out.
C,
Students are studying together in a library.
D.
The study area is being reserved.
Number 19. Look at the picture marked number 19 in your screen. A,
Asphalt is being applied to the roadway.
B,
The road surface is being removed by heavy machinery.
C,
Safety cones are being placed along the street.
D.
Vehicles are waiting to pass through the area.
Number 20. Look at the picture marked number 20 in your screen. A,
The woman is unpacking deliveries.
B,
The woman is organizing boxes.
C,
The woman is throwing away documents.
D.
The woman is labeling shelves.
Now, let's look at the answers. Thank you for watching. We wish you the very best in your TOEIC preparation.